Back with the surprise part 4. Oh yeah. Back to SMSU copywriting training. Now we're going to cover video scripts because every single SMSU client gets 2 videos, right, Jimmy?
Yes, that's correct.
Yes, 2 videos. So it is up to the copywriters to write the video scripts. So this is a very simple template that Jimmy actually put together to help you fill out the scripts relatively simply, and it shouldn't take too long. I was able to knock out like 20 in one day at one time using this template, following it to a T. So you're always going to want to start with the company name. This one is a good example from a couple months ago, Superheroes Empire. You're going to want to obviously label which script it is. You're going to want to stick with this font style too. We use that for all our scripts. And then the date that you're writing it. We're going to have director notes. Normally you should put a little more detail in there, maybe talk about what the company does, whatever, because this is going directly to the editor, so they're going to need to know everything, and we're going to need to make the job as simple as we can for them. So right here I have, we will have pop-up text, graphics, and B-roll. So normally we would say something like, for Superheroes Empire, we would say, this is a company that caters to children and parents since they do superhero-themed birthday parties in a truck, in a moving party station they bring all over. So now that that's in there, we can say make it kid-friendly and related to superheroes. Perfect. So a nice tip and trick that's going to help here with writing this copy relatively quickly is I like to go to the ad copy that I write. Ooh, let me just fix this real quick. So I'm going to go to the ad copy that I wrote here for Superheroes Empire. So many files here. Superheroes Empire, paid ad copy, and you're going to look at the headlines here. So finding the headlines and looking through those is a great way to find a good attention getter for the front of your video, and maybe even some copy for the middle of it as well. But when it comes to SMSU scripts, you're going to want to address a concern. It's kind of like ad copy, just in a video form. You're going to want to address a concern that the customer has. Throwing a birthday party in Georgia? So, are they throwing a birthday party in Georgia? We'll bring the party to you. That's already intriguing them because they're like, wait, how does that work? And then we can explain fun and exciting mobile parties, entertainment, props, costumes, kids keep everything. Now, we're not speaking about how this is a superhero-related thing here, but we're going to solve that with the B-roll. So with B-roll, we actually go in and pull things from Envato Elements, which is a service that the company pays for. So right here, this is going to be perfect. And then, so you're going to go in, find some B-roll. Normally I try to stick to 4 elements to keep the videos short, because we don't want to make them too long, otherwise we'll lose people's interest very quickly. Oh, that's a different script, sorry about that. Alright. So I knew that this was a superhero-related company, that they did superhero-related birthday parties, that they, when I looked in there and wrote up their copy, I saw that they drive a mobile party station around that's got a bunch of superhero-related costumes and props, and the kids can dress up, they get to keep all the stuff. It's pretty cool, actually. So knowing that, and knowing that the main question is asking, are they planning a birthday party, I'm going to be looking for something like this that shows a birthday party being planned. Like, okay, we're setting that date. Cool, that's a good stock video. And then when it says, we'll bring the party to you, I found a cool, just a little snippet of somebody driving. This is stuff that's going to be so much easier for you to pick out because that saves a lot of time and effort on the video editor's part. They can just make the video quickly and we can get it out quickly for the client. And then we're going to get into the superhero related stuff. Luckily I was able to find something perfect, which was kids dressed up as superheroes. And then the last one that we can have here is them playing around. That's perfect for representing a birthday party. So we're coming up on the end of my time limit here, so I'm going to explain the rest of the script process and how you're going to write direction and the final part of this copywriting training on SMSUs.